How to make vegan fruit cream without any cream. Take some avocado and scoop it out with the help of a spoon. Make sure to remove any rotten parts that you might see. Next, take 2 bananas. Make sure they are nice and ripe. Next, take some soaked dates. I think you'll need a little more than this. I ended up adding a little more date puree later. Make sure to remove the seeds. Now blend this with half cup water and a few ice cubes. Add just a pinch of salt, few drops of lemon juice and vanilla extract. I prefer to use the one without any alcohol. Now add chopped fruits of your choice. I am using banana, apple, green grapes, and red grapes. Mix it all well. I have kept a few fruits that I'm going to use later for garnishing. But I'm tempted to give it a try. It's absolutely yummy. And the texture is great too. Just garnish with the chopped fruits. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more tips and healthy recipes, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram.